guys, welcome to another video. This is part 2 of smashing my bird. I was just smashing my this part of it. I want to smash it one more time, and if it doesn't break even more, then I'm gonna do the body of the bird. So here we go. Why am I zoomed in? Okay, it's kind of cold out. Oh. Oh, let's do it again. Alright, this is the last time I'm gonna smash it. I'm gonna do it hard as heck. Here's the other part where the legs were. Now I'm just gonna smash this part. It's probably gonna be easier. Oh, missed. Keep on missing. That's bad aim. That didn't sound good. Okay, where's the body of the bird? Now we're gonna smash this thing. Oh, this is what Addie gave me. It's a tattoo. My God. I can't aim good. Oh, there goes the eye. There goes the eye. Oh, hold on. Hold on. Can't really see what it says, but alright. I'm gonna smash this at the same exact place. Whoa. Excuse me, oh my God. You know what? Set this bird right there. Got a brick here. I'm gonna smash the brick on my bird. I didn't do really anything except that. Ow. Alright, here's this. I'm gonna smash my bird with it. Oh my God. What the heck? Alright. I missed. Oh, there's a little part of it came off. Oh, the neck came off. It would have went like around, I think right here. Right here. It would go on this. It broke. There's one part of it. This part left to go. Oh my God. this metal. Ooh. Some pieces just went scattered around. Whoa. It won't break. By the way, I got my hand to stop bleeding. You know what? I'm gonna just drop it. Oh, hurts. Gonna pitch it onto this. Oh God. Some of it came off, just a little piece though. Shut up! Shut up! Well, it just broke into little tiny pieces. I don't even know where it went. It went somewhere over here. Where the heck did it go? I don't know where it went. Okay, well, that's me smashing my bird. I am the king. What the heck? Well, yeah. There's that other mountain. Freezing out here. Woo! Look at my drip. Look at my drip. I got clay dust all over me. Oof. Sorry, the camera had something on it. Couldn't get it off. Oh my gosh, I want my neighbors to come and pick that stuff up. So annoying. God. That's a nice ramp. Alright guys. See, that's going to be all for today. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you'll never miss another video. Again, see ya.